Connie's in the back. Gretchen's gonna be riding shotgun. Jacob, be nice with your brother. Don't make your mama renegar, okay? Ooh. Dude, are you ready to do this?
I thought we were gonna do it in the backyard, but
Dylan, get on the right side though.
Good luck, guys. So Krista va a encontrarse con sus amigas. Y you keep in touch with me, okay?
Yes.
Is the door closed? All right, be careful, mama.
All right, I love you.
¡Vamos de camping! Cold Crystal Lake. Hey Krista, I am right here. I'm at the entrance at the main visitor center though. Campground host. Am I passing where the RVs are? Wait. Well, Dylan is gonna show me the inside of the tent. A ver. Oh wow, you gotta take your shoes off, huh? And who's gonna sleep in the first floor?
well, I already claimed it. This one.
Okay.
So,
you put air on that one too?
Yeah, there's air in that one and those.
All right, let Daddy get the food ready first, and then we do the bed situation, okay?
Yeah,
Wow, and then we can go to explore too. Hi, Krista. What is the beer for your husband? No kiss, no love.
Are you kidding?
What's wrong with
I'm
you?
jumping up and down.
So, estamos cocinando dinner para esta noche. Y es su pollito en la grill. Polluelo. Ya lo trajimos listo ya, solamente para cocinarlo. Y ahí Chris está telling her stories. Los perritos están que se comportan muy bien. Dogs are being really good, but kids are being horrible.
When we went to Peru on international flights,
Hi, Doga.
I guess overnight ones, not all of them.
Y ahí está la señora cochinota
Blanket and
que se ha venido a hacer camping por primera vez.
most of the people just left that shit there. I was like, oh, took the hell.
Tenemos que poner bien la tent.
Brought them camping. I was like, if we're gonna crap up some blankets and stuff, it's gonna be you.
Hey, is this from the 70s? The 70s show?
It's probably from about 1995. Thank you.
Ooh, food's ready, guys. Diego, this is your plate right here. Look.
What?
What are you doing, crazy boy? No. What about the wax? Is it lighting? That wax is pretty old.
It's not lighting.
What wax?
Your earwax.
How about yours? I keep on finding a lot of earwax like Shrek. Oh!
Like Shrek. Do we have like dry leaf, Jacob?
Yeah, there's plenty. Here, try this, try this, try this. I know what will make it start bad.
I'm not going to be in the background of this video, am I?
No, you're not.
The wax is literally melting. I don't see it doing anything. I truly don't know how old that was when we found it.
You look lost. Are you okay? You look lost. Oh, really? Oh, shit.
Where are you guys going?
Fishing.
Nice.
Yeah.
Alright, have fun.
See, that kid caught a bass here. You want to learn how to cast with this kind of... Come here, look, I teach you. Look. Oi, boogers. Alright, look at your shirt, bro. Look at your shirt. Jacob, you getting fish? Lazy. Look at the kayaker. Alright, bro, we gotta go eat, make breakfast, and I need to poop. Let's go.
Wait. Ew, a fish peed in the water.
It's not pee. Let's go, bro.
No, I can't fish.
They're not biting, it's too late. I told you to come early, huh?
You told me, I told you. Stop lying.
I woke you up. I never lie, you idiot.
Yes, you're just like, Jacob, do you want to go on a walk? Jacob, do you want to go on a Jacob?
Didn't we go on the walk? What happened to your ear? And why you're so dirty?
Why are you so dirty?
You need to go take a shower, little punky. Bueno, no atrapamos ningún pescado. We didn't catch any fish. We got a cranky old man right here.
Shut up. I could have caught a fish, but you were like, la, it's time to go.
And what?
I couldn't get one.
So the fish got scared and left?
Shut up. You scared me.
Bueno, de repente venimos más tarde cuando va a oscurecer para ver si pescamos algo. ¿Sí o no, Jacob? ¿Regresamos? Don't throw them. Put them there, though. Jacob is making bacon and sausage. Put it right there.
Good thing I put it on the side.
Jacob, space for more, though.
Do I get you guys?
All right. Well, just leave it there. We cook them by parts. Try to find a fork. Find a fork from there. Oh, look who is up. Good morning, mister.
I was always up.
You were always up? No, when I went to give you a kiss. Get a fork, Papa. A fork.
What is this? There's no fork. That fork.
In that box.
Ain't no fork.
What's up, buddy?
Where's that?
That box right there. Hi, sweetie pie. How are you? You're so gorgeous. You're so gorgeous. Ay, look at that gordita, que linda. You are beautiful.
She was coming up.
You're jealous, huh?
Jacob, what are you gonna do? Shoot Aaron and Heather. Right now we're camping. No one can see me. And my mom's watching. I'm back up. So like and subscribe if you liked this video. Bye.